Snoopy's a happy dog.
All right, can you sing for me?
Snoopy's a happy dog every day, and then he walks every day.
Why is Snoopy a happy dog? Can you sing that?
'Cause he does this.
I thought you sang in your last song that Snoopy was a happy dog because he got a new car. Can you sing that part?
Snoopy has a new car. Snoopy has a new car. Snoopy has a new car from Santa.
Yay! Is that the new car from Santa?
Santa.
You like that car?
But I don't know where the keys are. I lost them again.
I think I know where they are. I think they might be on the shelf over there. Right by the CD player. Stand up and look over there on the shelf. Aha! What do those keys do?
I'll go back to my car.
Can you show me? Aha! Now where are you going to put the keys? Does Snoopy fit in the back of your car?
Yep.
He does? Really?
Fit.
Wow.
Go ahead, Snoopy.
Gonna sing another song for him?
No, look, that's the driver's seat. What? The back is the driver's seat.
Who's driving the car?
No. Snoopy.
How can he see?
You can see right out the window.
Really? Can he reach the steering wheel?
Yes, it's right in there. It's right in there.
Anything else you want to tell us?
But no seatbelts in there.
Oh.
So when you turn